from Retard, and today we're going to be talking about 6 superfoods that you should include in your diet right now if you're looking for weight loss. So I am on a diet. I told you guys in my previous video, I am on a diet, but it's not strict. It is very friendly, where you can eat and where I'm constantly eating, in short. But I lost 2 kgs in 10 days, and coming days when I will lose more, I will make a video on it. But as of now, I just wanted to include this video up there that we're going to be talking about 6 superfoods that you should include in your diet if you are looking for weight loss. So before we begin this video, I want you guys to please click on the subscription button, which is right there, and also connect with me on Instagram, Snapchat, Facebook. Yeah. So let's get into the video and let's talk about superfoods. So yes, so the very first, before I begin with the very first superfood, I would also like to include water in it. Now the very first thing is water. You should have at least 2 to 3 liters of water a day, and you have heard it, you have read it, you have seen it many times, but water is really essential for your body. And you can see right now I'm sweating. So if you do not take that much water, and if you don't like there is one of my friend who doesn't like drinking water. So if you're like that person that you don't like drinking water, or somehow you end up not having that much water, which you should have, so in that case I would always suggest you guys to do a little bit of workout, like just go for a normal walk, just do whatever chores you're doing at home, just put some little more energy so that you sweat and then you have more water. Because if you're sweating, you will feel a little bit of dehydrated and then you will ask for water. So this is a really nice step. Like just today I did my workout, and just by 2 o'clock, like 2 in the afternoon, I had 3 liters of water, because I was working out, because I was dancing, because I was doing my thing. And then even when I was watching TV, I was watching Cocktail movie today. So even when you're watching TV, you still need that water because you have worked out, so your body needs that. So first would be water. Lemon is really essential for our body. Lemon has citric acid. Lemon is really good for brightening your skin. I know I'm sweating. Lemon is really good for brightening your skin. Lemon is really good for this glow. Everything to remove impurities from your body. It cleanses your system. So you should definitely include lemon. Either have lemon honey warm water in the morning, or just have lemon water in the evening. Just take 1 glass of, even chilled water will work. 1 glass of water and put, just squeeze half a lemon in it and just drink it. It's really nice. It's really nice. So lemon is really important. Would be honey. Now honey is a natural source of sugar. Honey is a natural sweetening source, and you should definitely include honey in your diet. Even if you see that even if you apply honey on your face or on your hair, you see this difference. So honey is really important. It detoxifies your body. It's really good for brightening, again the glow and everything. It's really good for weight loss. So if obviously this whole topic is on weight loss, so if you want to lose weight, you add these superfoods in your diet. Will be nuts. Definitely include nuts. They are really good source of protein, carbohydrate, fibers, and all the minerals. Nuts are really good source of energy. They are less in calories, and they are really good snack. If you are on weight loss diet, you should definitely have nuts as a snack. Out, or if you just had your breakfast, and in the middle of your the time of your breakfast and your lunch, you should have 4 nuts. Don't go overboard with nuts. Like one day you have 4 almonds, the next day you have 4 almonds with 2 kishmish or 2 kaju, and the next day you have prunes and such things. So fifth would be lentils. Now lentils are really important. Now I always used to believe that diet is have little of what you are having. Starve yourself, have 2 meals a day or 3 meals a day. That is diet if you want to lose weight, but that is not the truth. Believe me, in these 10 days I have eaten a lot and still I have lost 2 kgs. And my dietitian, she's really good, she's a certified professional, she's really good, and she made me believe that no, you should stick to your mother diet. Like if you're American, you should stick to your mother diet. Whatever you have been eating since your birth, like pizza, whatever, you should stick to that. And we are Indians, we should stick to roti, paratha or sabji, dal and stuff. So lentils are really important. First of all, the main benefits of lentils are that they come cheap, they're very cheap, they're easily available in India, in anywhere in the world. And secondly, you can have lentils like brown masoor dal, pink masoor dal, you can have moong dal, you can have red lobia, white chana, black chana. So such, you can have the green moong dal. And lentils are really cheap, they come really handy dandy. And you can make sprouts of this sprouts are really good of protein, they have carbohydrate, they have minerals, potassium, magnesium, iron, and what else, calcium. So you should definitely include lentils and sprouts, they are all same. You should definitely include that. Now if you're looking for weight loss, definitely have lentils. How you can make lentils, or how I consume lentil, is firstly that you can have just like a normal dal, but again dal will have some oil in it, and we will be making a tadka. So the easier way of that is either you can make sprouts, they come really, you just soak dal, any dal like green moong dal, you just soak it in water, and then after 4-5 hours of soaking it, just put it on a strainer. Put it on strainer and just leave it overnight, and the next morning you'll see very beautiful sprouts coming up. Just add sliced coriander, cucumber and pyaz and tomatoes into it, onions into it, and just make a chaat of it, and it's really yummy. The same goes with boiled lentils. You can just boil white chana or black chana, just add whatever veggies you want to add, just add a little bit of chaat masala and salt, and it's really yummy. Sixth thing will be to add seeds in your diet. Now mostly people do not eat seeds, they are the most underrated form of food, but they are rich in protein, they are rich in carbohydrate, they are rich in they are basically more rich in fibers. Now I personally like chia seed, flax seed, sunflower seed. You can consume any of these, you can consume any of these. You can have melon seeds, you can have other forms of seeds as well. Now talking about the chia seeds, like you have seen my monthly favorites video, I'll put the link right here so you can see that. In my monthly favorites video, I have talked about chia seeds, the brand, the form that I am taking right now, that is kind of my favorite right now. So the chia seeds, they are rich in fiber, and they have said to be that if you consume them regularly, they reduce your appetite, they are really good for your weight loss journey. Now if you consume, like I take 1 teaspoon or half tablespoon of chia seeds a day. So you can add it even if you're having your milkshake, your mango shake, your nimbu pani, your any cold drink. Well, it's a weight loss video, so no cold drinks, but you're having any drink, just normal water, just have 1 teaspoon of chia seeds. Now the chia seeds, why they are rich in fiber is because if you soak them overnight, they form a jelly, like they're used for chia seed puddings, you have seen. So once it goes into your body, it swells up to 12 times, and they are rich in fiber, they are rich in protein, they have minerals, they have potassium, magnesium, they're full of nutrients. So yes, you should definitely include seeds into your diet. To include seeds in your diet is whatever you're having a shake, you're having anything, just add some seeds to it. Just add half a teaspoon of seeds and just have it. Or if you cannot have it like a raw form of it, just blend it. Now chia seeds cannot be blended into a paste, But yes, you can blend sunflower seed and other form of seeds. This was the video where I was talking about the 6 superfoods that we ignore but they actually help us in weight loss journey. So yes, you should definitely have them, include them in your diet. And also I have a lot of other recipes which I take as a snack, like a chia seed lemon water, and I have makhana snacks. Makhanas are again makhanas we can also include in the weight loss diet. They're really good. They have all form of again protein and carbs are there. Lentils also have vitamin C, A, K in it. So definitely include, you know, all these things, and always you should stick to your mother diet. This is what I've learned and this is what I have, you know, grasped in these days. So yes, stick to your mother diet, have whatever you want. Even if, you know, there are some days when I want to have pizza, when I want to have, like just yesterday I was feeling so sad. I was feeling so sad because I wanted to have Domino's and they were closed. So yes, there are some days, and then do not compensate, do not, you know, kill your mood, do not just kill your craving. Have it, but in a proper quantity, in a proper way, and you're sorted, believe me. Yes, thank you so much for watching this video. Give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Bye.